Hey hair friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and on this channel we love all things beauty, but let's be honest, if your hair is not done, your outfit is not complete. So in today's video, we are installing and reviewing Nadula's U-Part Body Wave Wig. It is Brazilian hair. It's so quick and simple. My hair is so extremely dirty right now, and I did that on purpose to see how quickly I would be able to get out the door, because actually I do have somewhere to go today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, share if you care, and let's get started. I'd like to thank Nadula for sponsoring today's video and Bear for trying so hard to be my co-host. Anyway, let's get started. This box was loaded with goodies. So I have the folding desktop phone stand, a leopard print headband, a light skin wig cap, a black satin Nadula headscarf, a white Nadula t-shirt, some lashes, a makeup brush, an elastic Velcro headband, as well as a satin bonnet. I really like this chocolate color. Moving on to the details of this beautiful Brazilian body wave wig. As I said previously, this is a U-Part wig. You have a comb on each side of the U-Part as well as the base of the U-Part, and on both sides of the ear tab, so one on each side. And then you have your comb in the back for your nape area. Of course, you have your little lace there, as well as the adjustable straps. There was little to no shedding, and the hair did not have a smell. On to the install. Here I'm just determining how much hair should be left out, and I actually left too much out. Okay, so we're gonna try this again, and now that I can see my part line right where the weft starts, I believe I now have enough hair out. After sliding the combs in at the top, I'm going to do the same on the sides, and of course, the one in the back at the nape. is extremely dirty and I am about to dye my hair. But before I did that, I wanted to install this to see how quickly it would just install, blend, and lay. And let me tell you, all A's over here. I did not dye the hair, cut the hair, curl the hair. I didn't do anything to this hair. I took it out of the box, I ran my fingers through it, and I installed it. Some V parts and U parts don't blend as well when your hair is dirty. So I wanted to definitely install this while my hair was really dirty and weighed down to see how it was going to blend. I think it's doing pretty well. Girl, it's so hot in this room. I had the fan going while I was talking. Hopefully y'all can hear me now. This wig performed beautifully. Like as soon as I put it on and I slid the combs in, combed my hair down, like it's literally that quick. I could be out the door. The only con that I have about this wig is the extra, the extra flap here. And it's like way too big for my head. As you can see, it's kind of covering the top of my ear here. I'd say, what is that? Oh, I didn't even initially see this white string, but it is a part of the, like it fits fine here. It's just near my ears, and my ears are really tiny, like they are, but I just don't like that flap being over my ear. It just doesn't fit properly in that aspect. So I think I prefer the clips over the combs at the top. I do believe U parts and V parts are great beginner wigs, but you definitely have to have some type of anchor in there to hold it together. So if you do have an interest in this wig, I definitely suggest that you create some anchor braids so the combs could slide into the braid and the wig would not slide down. I like that the hair came already super defined in the body wave, because as I ran my fingers through it, it did not lose the wave. Yes, ma'am, she's doing something. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm about to go outside and look cute and run some errands. Because if you're gonna do it, why not do it up, right? Really love this wig. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up on your way out. All of the links will be in the description box down below. And until the next time, love.